Once the mummy and papa went for a walk with their child. "Hello, kitty," said the child. Then the kitty went away. The child got sad, so the mummy and papa brought it a horse. "Whee! I love this horse." "Mummy, can I get another pet?" "Yes, sweetie. I like this dog. It's very fluffy. This one, it's very purple. I've never seen such an interesting dog before. Now what will we do? You can play with this fluffy cat." "Can we go meet our friends?" "Yes." "Okay." So we went for a walk in the park. "Do you like my cat and my bike? I'll go get my horse. I'll go put this back, then I can hop on your horse. And bring my monkey." I brought my dog. Then it started to rain, so we had to go home. Then we went for our night walk as we always did. It was very dark at night. I like this one. We went for a walk. "Can I go for a swim?" "Of course." Then we ran away, and the goats came. They were our pets. We always let them out because they're good. "I like this horse. Can I go riding more?" "No, sweetie. You can play with the zebra and the cat. We've given you lots of pets." "Meow, meow." "I think I'm gonna have a baby." So they rid away. Then her baby got taken out and she came back again. And they walked home. They got a new house to surprise the baby. Then she had to go in an ambulance again because she had another little boy.